Just like that, cash.
Oh my god.
Nah, my M4 just got jacked.
Say cheese! Cheese!
This groundhog keeps stealing food from this farmer and always eats it directly in front of the security camera. These otters were spotted chasing a butterfly. I think this fish is broken. Sometimes an octopus will try and punch a fish just for fun.
Wakey wakey.
Oh my god.
This is a hognose snake, which is a harmless snake that likes to play dead. For some reason, this cow was trying to catch its own tail. I have never seen this type of disrespect before.
Okay.
For some reason, this hamster has a knife. Why is this capybara so small? This truck that was carrying oranges broke down, so these elephants took advantage.
The guys have got a bit of a problem here. And the elephants are coming and helping themselves, taking advantage.
These eagles were trying to build a nest together.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Apertura automática.
Ma che bravissimo.
He's done with asking and has started demanding.
Oh my god.
This guy found a really round bear.
He is a fat bear. Oh my god, the Gina bear.
So chunky. There's a lot more over here on this left side.
This duck loves getting kisses.
Is not back.
Have you ever seen a horse that's equipped with turbo? This pigeon was hurt, so they spent months nursing it back to full health. They were finally ready to release it back into the wild. I can't tell which bird is more angry. This poor little guy doesn't know how wheels work. This fish somehow found a pacifier. This little baby chicken was adopted by this duck.
Hey, Dreamer pooped.
Dreamer pooped, yes. So just
Oh man. You poop? Oh yeah?
This ostrich kept bothering this giraffe.
Take two. I don't think the ostrich is supposed to be there.
This monkey was really excited to see her.
Good morning, Nick. Yeah, good morning.
This poor little guy couldn't hold on. This penguin wasn't having a very good day after falling in some mud. This cat somehow managed to scare away a bear. They couldn't figure out why their car wasn't starting.
I'm trying to go to sleep or take a nap and he's just...
It seems like this bird is trying to be as annoying as possible. So why is he sitting like this? This lion was chasing a wildebeest when the unexpected happened. Someone found a bird that wants to take over the world.
His face. It looks like he's laughing.
He really decided that violence was the only option.
Wait, oh, Pigeon Tower.
This deer loves eating bananas. These two fish really don't like each other.
What the heck is going on here?
Bro. Oh, what? What?
I told you, you have to stop coming around. Stop bringing your mates. I can see he's there. We have no food.
The fisherman caught a fish and then tried to release it, but it wouldn't swim back down. This is because there was air in the gas bladder of the fish. The fisherman helped the fish burp to release the air.
Burp it out. Is that better? Now let's see. Oh, look at that. Away he goes.
These raccoons were caught in the act.
Turtle.
The turtle's like,
Papu, papu, papu.